Let's test your memory with this Easter game. You have 20 seconds to memorize the image. Then answer 10 questions about the image. You get 1 point for each correct answer. Are you ready? Let's begin. Number 1. How many bunnies are there? A. 3, B. 5, or C. 4? The correct answer is C. 4. Number 2. What is inside the basket? A. Carrots, B. Flowers, or C. Easter eggs? The correct answer is C. Easter eggs. Number 3. How many carrots are there? A. 2, B. 4, or C. 6? The correct answer is C. 6. Number 4. What color are the birds? A. Yellow and green, B. Brown and white, or C. Pink and white? The correct answer is A. Yellow and green. Number 5. How many butterflies are there? A. 1, B. 2, or C. 3? The correct answer is B. 2. Number 6. What flowers are in the image? A. Roses, B. Tulips, or C. Daisies? The correct answer is C. Daisies. Number 7. What is at the top left of the image? A. A bird, B. The sun, or C. A rainbow? The correct answer is B. The sun. Number 8. What color are the butterflies? A. Pink, B. Orange, or C. Yellow? The correct answer is A. Pink. Number 9. How many birds are facing the right? A. 1, B. 2, or C. None? The correct answer is A. 1. And finally, number 10. How many eggs are in the basket? A. 4, B. 5, or C. 6? The correct answer is B. 5. How many points did you get out of 10? If you got 10, you have an amazing memory. Subscribe to ESL Class Games for more games like this one.